In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this poster design in Photoshop. Create a file with these settings. Create a gradient adjustment layer and follow the settings. From Shapes, pick Rectangle tool and follow the process. Insert your image. Adjust the size and image position. Create a black and white layer. Click on this icon to affect only below layer. Create an exposure adjustments layer. Select and press Ctrl G or Command G to group layers. Convert it to Smart Object. Right-click and create clipping mask. Duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Add a mask. Pick brush with black color on foreground and hide these places. Click on Inner Shadow and follow settings. Insert and scale background. Press Ctrl Shift or Command Shift U to make image black and white. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Create a solid color adjustments layer. Pick this color. Change mode to multiply. Duplicate this shape layer and drag it to top and adjust the size. Double-click on Layer Style and follow the process. Pick Ellipse tool. Click on this mask icon and change feather value to make shape edges softer. Change mode to multiply. Make a copy and drag it to other side. Start creating other shapes and text. Let's speed up the process. To support my channel, you can use super thanks under the every videos or join channel membership. That's it, and hope you learn it.